The Suzuki GSX R1000 is a sports motorcycle made by Suzuki. It was introduced in 2001 to replace the GSX R1100. Manufacturer Suzuki also called Gixxer, GSXR. Production 2001 present. Predecessor GSXR 1100. Class Sportbike. Related. Suzuki GSXR 600. Suzuki GSXR 750 updates for 2021. Suzuki is celebrating its heritage with a 100th Anniversary Edition GSX-R1000R in 2021, which features a unique paint scheme. Otherwise, both the GSX-R1000 and GSX-R1000R models remain identical. 2022 features engine 999.8 cc, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, 4-cylinder, DOHC. 4x/76.0 mm by 55.1 mm, 2.992 in by 2.169 in. Compression ratio 13.2:1. Fuel system fuel injection with ride-by-wire throttle bodies. StarterElectric, LubricationWet sump. ClutchWet, multi-plate type. Transmission 6-speed constant mesh. Final drive chain, DID 525 HV3, 120 links. Suspension front inverted telescopic, coil spring, oil damped. Suspension rear link type, single shock, coil spring, oil damped. Brakes front Brembo, 4-piston, twin disc, ABS equipped. Brakes rear Nissin, 1-piston, single disc, ABS equipped. Tires front 120/70 ZR17M, C, 58W, tubeless. Tires rear 190/55 ZR17M, C, 75W, tubeless. Fuel tank capacity 16.0 L, 4.2 US gal. Ignition electronic ignition, transistorized. Headlight LED. Tail light LED. Overall length 2075 mm, 81.7 in. Overall width 705 mm, 27.8 in. Overall height 1145 mm, 45.1 in. Wheelbase 1420 mm, 55.9 in. Ground clearance 130 mm, 5.1 in. Seat height 825 mm, 32.5 in. Curb weight 201 kg, 443.0 pounds. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Drop a gear club no and ride safe.